beats Wingcraft.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to install this beautiful crochet braid. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So I'll show you guys how I was able to install this butterfly crochet braids. Not quite long ago I made a butterfly crochet braid that kind of looks like this, and I made it from scratch myself, and it took me about 6 hours to do it. But today I'm using a pre-made butterfly crochet braids, which makes my life easier, you know. So to achieve this, I used 6 packs of braids to get this full look. And the way I did the braiding pattern, I can pack it anyhow I want it. I can put it all to the top, and I can pack it all to the back. But you're going to see everything in the video. And in case if you're wondering, I'm going to put the links of where I got the crochet braids from in the description box below. Without further ado, let's just get into the video. Hi guys, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the packaging of the hair. Like I said earlier on, I used 6 packs to achieve this style. So right here I have 11 strands of hair in one pack. So yeah, I'm just going to be doing my braiding pattern. It's just a simple illusion braiding pattern. So once I'm done with my braiding pattern, I'm going to go ahead and start doing the crochet. I'll be starting from the back. So now I'm done doing the crochet. I'm just gonna lay my edges with my gel. And then I'll tie a scarf to let it dry a little bit. Once it's dry, I'm going to go ahead and take off my scarf, and then I'm going to style my hair. And this is the first style, guys. You guys can see it's absolutely beautiful. You know, this crochet braid is so versatile. You can do any style you want on it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a couple of more styles, and that's basically it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned something from this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.